Pay attention to this because it can make a huge difference to your break and retest. We are seeing the price created this bearish on the way down. By adding the lower high structure zone, we can see the price broke on the way up and created the breakout phase. We are seeing the price making the pullback down and trying to retest the structure zone. From this point, would you look for a retest and appropriate confirmation for a continuation up? Let me tell you why this is not a great idea to look for a continuation. With our break and retest formation here, with the continuation up, we're going to look for the target as of the previous major high structure zone, where currently we can see the price reached and validated that zone. With the first breakout phase, the price already reached the area and strongly bounced down. If the target is reached and the price reacts on the target validating it, we can't